Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Instagram. Let's get started. First, open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile page by clicking your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. If you want to log out from your Instagram account on your current device, scroll down to the very bottom of the settings. There, you'll find the log out option on it, and this will allow you to choose which accounts you want to save login for. As for me, I'm gonna toggle all of them. Now if we tap log out, we will be signed out from all of the accounts on this device. But if you want to log out from another device, here's how you do that. Go to Settings and Privacy once again and go to Account Center. Then, navigate to Password and Security, like where you're logged in. Choose your Instagram account and you'll see a list of all your login activities on different devices. As for me, there's only one and it's my current device. But if you have an account logged in other devices, you'll see it below Logins on Other Devices. And to log out from those devices, you'll see a Select Devices to log out. And you'll have to confirm that you want to log out of those devices. And that's how you can easily log out of your Instagram on any device. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!